Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and it's time for some diamond paintings today from CooDeals. Now this is Christmas with CooDeals. I do know it's October, but we need to have time to get these paintings ready for the festive season. So I've got 3 different paintings that I've chosen. 2 are a little more Christmassy, 1 is a little more wintry, but you know, quite often we clump together the seasons. So let's start with the winter one that I've chosen for today, and I think this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It is a round and say it's a little bit more wintry. You could class it as Christmas. It does sort of have what looks like a Christmas tree, but it's a little bit more your candles, your fir cones, your snow, your cozy, your warm. It has 26 different colours. It is a round painting, and the actual drill area is 35 by 25. All the symbols are letters and numbers, and you do get an inventory sheet with it as well. So there's the image, and of course you can click on the link in the description to see it in full, but they do tend to do numbers followed by letters, and they also come with the DMC numbers. It comes with a nice toolkit with the nice white boat, and you do get a 3-placer, and this is the colours for this one. So we have some blues, greens, greys. It's sort of got a black and white tone, though it's not black and white. It does have some colour in it. We've got some brighter blues. We do have some sort of whitish colours in there, but then we've got quite a few of these greens that really pop through, or at least they do when you're looking at it closer. If it lifts that up, the greens do pop through here, sort of with the fir cones and the candles, but a nice little warm and cozy. I think that's the way I want to describe that one. It's a warm and cozy image. So that's number 1. Number 2, this one made me smile. This one is purely for fun. It's a fun Christmas painting. It won't suit everybody, but it definitely made me smile. Maybe it could make your guests smile too. We have the Christmas cow. So yeah, we have a Christmas cow with a candy cane and a Santa's hat. A little bit different, yes. Fun, yes. Isn't that what's Christmas all about? And I figured we have, your simple farmhouse-y type painting, maybe, sort of set up, and then we have your make the kids laugh type of painting too. So this is a Christmas cow. It's a 30 by 40 that has a drill area of 25 by 35. It has 26 different colours in it, and it is a round. It does come with an inventory sheet. So you do get the inventory sheet if you want to use that for kitting up. And look at some of these fun colours in here. So we've got some reds for the hat. We've got blues for the background. Even it's more of a dark blue that you see in the cow as well. Then we have a little bit of pink that's around his nose and the candy cane. We've got some white and some sort of off greeny colour. It's amazing how different this colour, which is 3756, can look depending on what it's placed next to. So yeah, some fun colours, but I think a very fun and funky image for Christmas. Gotta love a funny cow. And then I've also got more of a definite Christmas scene type painting. This one is bigger. It is still around, but it is a 40 by 50. This one. Let's get the bits out of the way. So you do get, of course, your toolkit, etc. But I thought this was a really nice sort of front of house, posh house, Christmas scene, 2 Christmas trees, presents at the door, wreath on the door. It has 30 colours. So this one does use numbers, then letters, and then it does have 3 symbols. Because, you know, we run out of options. They don't duplicate on some. So number 9 is not in there because it can be very similar to 6 if you're looking at it upside down. They don't have the letter B because it can be very similar to 8. I can be similar to 1, etc. So they don't use all the letters. Any that are similar, they don't. But this is 45 by 35. And look at those colours. Some really, really fun colours in there. I love those 3 together, actually. Like, I know that's not the theme of the painting, but they're gorgeous. So it's like a purple, a pale yellow and a blue. We've got some brighter yellow, we've got some brown, some gorgeous greens. That's actually a dark green as well. Some lighter greens, some orange, some purple. Yeah, it will all come together. There is some red as well. I'm not sure if you can see it. We have got a bag of red there as well that's sort of tucked its way down. We've got a bright orange. So yeah, lots and lots of different colours to add those pops where needed. But I thought that was very Christmassy. So this is extreme Christmassy, fun Christmassy, and winter could be classed as Christmas due to this sort of tree, but you know, it's not got baubles on it, so you could still class it as winter, that's for sure. But yeah, Christmas with CooDeals in October. Gorgeous 3 different paintings for that. I will pop links to all of them down below, of course, so that you can pick some of these up for yourself if you wish. But thank you so much to CooDeals for sending them to me and for sponsoring today's video. And thank you so much to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.